dinoni atayosiole ni yo wokuwe suefe injekojuba nishikitele. We appreciate him so much.
We all want to be blessed very well. Long life and prosperity. We pray that every year should come whilst you are still alive. At the same time, people put up a performance. These come together. We mentioned satisfying all age groups and tastes. So we organize quizzes, and this is a junior has approved for them. Whatever kind of native food or indigenous food that you can think of, you'll get it on the day. And the dressing too. In Ghana, what you see here, we call it collar. Just 2 years of cloth, tie it around your neck, and you are free to go. And then we also have like 11 and Osu 11. We have always been eating them. This year we'll meet them again. We also have other activities like beauty pageant. We have weightlifting. We are playing, as mentioned earlier. All these activities are planned to bring together.
GOT Nekawo Inyeji. Susumo Emi. Ewo Jemawoji ni mba Hɔmɔwɔ.
And then we also want to acknowledge Vodafone, now Telecel. Let's reach out for them. Before the announcements, we want to give the corporate institutions host, Labadi Beach Hotel. So shall we have the rep to make some remarks for us? Shall we give it a culture?
What very good
Any other corporate just to acknowledge for her. And now all money. Yes, okay. Shall we also acknowledge Asafua? Let's give it up for him, please. That is 5th August.
Hani ni akahide bu alena manche mi amanche wole ake nye lo hun chue ni ke nye koyo ami sinu cho fe wo he wo wode fo wo ya krabacha je mo he la ke pa radon nyetash.
We call for peace and unity through this period. We have a lot of activities during the festival, and if we then send problems you through the presentations, it's a very unique one. I can confidently say that there is no festival celebration in this world.
Na ehuda seniji wakpa Hɔmɔwɔ 2024 mama isafile efesro to ko ye bon ni wo ba gbe wo ba tesi wo ba bo se ni wo ka ba ye Hɔmɔwɔ ne mi be o mo fe mo ake many your manse many your wonja wonde woji woja wo tradition wo tradition ni wo cheme ke wo nyeme ba shi ihawo e wo fe wo ke wo ye awo mi eja ke ni fe mo ne eji o manye ni fe mo ni Hɔmɔwɔ ka wo ye lo jogo na keke jomo ba jo la ke boni efe o oblaye ni yo man wo fe wo ba ko kusun na afio ni wo kusun aka laje ni be me ni teme ya ka shisa ha wo ba nye ni wo fe o ma be wo fe ake wo ka ko me fe mo so mo wo ka tune ke ni tumo ne ndi afine ye ni nya wo popo do lenke to da fi nkanya yo afine wo mafata ni wo ye lo jugba ya twenjole mi akanya wensi mo twenjole wa ya twenjole osikanya wo no ni ma onupa e ba ke wo cafe ka lagbemi na ka o ka yimu o ka chode ni bi na ba ke wo fe wo bo moda ke wo yi no meni hu ke won tuni na lo amentuni e wo popa no ameke bule ahawo ake wo ji shipon cheme o ka shipon cheke over high shipon kusu ni yon shipon no ne e wo ka be she ma be suma ka so ye kusu eno wo ye kusu eno wo ye shiwo eno bona fe ne ke basa fe mo ko akaba ne ka fe aka safa che meba na meba me stop bo yo ko fe mo no e wo mi ka da de ko to po ke wo pe la gbe to bo ni chonye ndi o manya jo aba ha wo fe mo fe mo ke skaba wo mi mo fe mo ke ni nyama ba fise bona fe ni twejole ahinda de ko to ko yera do
yo da wo yera do ko e ba ka yela tubulo be no do na akela afine Hɔmɔwɔ mama he pamo akefe eba na gbe owula kuse ni wabada me fe wabada ye ni bi na ba fe gbe ni la kusu lata no be de wo ke ye ka sha ya ye ko ke ye fe ba ye afine ni bi fe ni ba ya no ye afine le